Do you want to say where we are, Darren?
Where are we? We're in a campsite. It's a real basic field. With Portuguese.
No sign of Tim and Graham.
No sense now. Girls aren't here yet. Nice track on display, Mr. McFarlane. Is it? Well,
We've got the burgers on.
I go out with a perv.
Are you hungry?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
We just had a little argument, that's all.
Have you?
What about?
Hello,
Which
Darren.
generally ended with him saying, "I've never been here before, how should I know?" Stop filming me. What, are you going to do this all weekend?
Yeah.
You're the second person that's right. Stop it.
Oh, blimey. We've got a bit of a dazzle problem going on here.
Can you see the back of his knees down there?
I was in intensive care today.
Oh.
So I went from yesterday being on call and responsible for about 50 patients to working today being responsible for one that I think's going to die.
Oh.
It wasn't a busy day.
So, if your patient happens to kick the bucket,
Well,
do you get the day off?
well, it depends if someone else comes in on.
Oh, so you might get a rush on and have two people to look after.
Yeah. There's always that risk. Stop it!
We've used these. We've got plates.
We've got everything.
This is really impressive, actually.
Yes.
What have you got?
We've got some food and some wine.
When we were shopping for our barbecue stuff, went to the butcher's, and the butcher said, we've got
Oh my god, this is a joke.
8 venison legs for £100. Is that too dear?
Right, would you like a burger?
Yes, please. Can I stuff it in my ear so I don't have to listen to any more of this?
And the butcher had 8 venison legs for £100. Is that too dear?
Can I do my Scottish joke?
Well, I told Darren that joke yesterday. He's like, no, it sounds quite reasonable.
Darren. Man goes into the what's it, cake shop, bakery in Scotland and goes, "Hello." And the man behind the counter says, "Hello." And the man who's buying says, "Well then, is that an eclair or a meringue?" And the guy behind the counter says, "You're not wrong, it's an eclair."
I've just got that.
I always the same. It kind of takes a few. It's like,
Oh.
Morning!
Fuck off. He's got his camera out again.
how did you guys sleep?
We closed our eyes and waited.
Well, the breakfast was very nice.
You appreciated David's breakfast bar.
Oh, it's very good breakfast bar actually. Yes, we like that.
Oh, got Darren's reflection in the kettle.
What was that? Gin and tonic, okay.
For breakfast. It's the start of our intrepid journey.
Yeah.
And a lemon top. What do you want?
I'd have the same. Can I have a flaking man?
You.
Anything else you want to change? Take off?
There you go, Tim. Video evidence of Graham running.
Keep going.
He's walking now. So Tim,
Yeah?
while Graham's out of earshot, what are the 3 best things about Graham?
His wallet's always full of money.
Yeah,
He's a Scotsman.
he never complains about anything.
Okay.
His wallet's always full of money. And he's always very patient. No. What's your idea?
Graceful.
A bit warm?
Yes.
You've always got. What's the other one?
I'm almost on time.
Generous?
Oh God, yes, I forgot that one. You're always on time.
Yes.
You're
So-
always very patient.
Graham, what are the 3 best things about Tim?
He doesn't live with me. He's really good at navigation. What are the other good things about you, Tim? He doesn't hear very well.
Okay. You got to say something funny on your way past.
Your flies are down.
Knob. I don't like hills.
Oh, come on, before we set off.
Bye. The key is going. There's a coffee. So how big is the memory on that thing?
Nice coffee.
Very nice coffee, thank you. Well, Darren's playing donuts.
Nice coffee, Darren.
It's lovely. Really nice.
Did Tim get out the wrong side of his sleeping bag this morning? What was that?